Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 23rd, 2024, and we're diving deep into Intel Corporation, INTC. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for Intel, with some analysts expressing bullish sentiment, citing Intel's potential in the foundry business, while others express concerns about the recent CEO transition and the overall market sentiment. Before we jump into the charts, let's quickly recap what's happening in the news. Reports from various financial news outlets like Yahoo Finance, CNBC, and MarketWatch indicate a relatively bearish trend in Intel's stock in the recent past, with significant year-to-date losses. Some sources like Seeking Alpha, however, maintain a more optimistic long-term view for Intel. Now, let's transition to the charts to see if they corroborate these news reports. Looking at the daily chart for Intel, we observe a clear downtrend over the past few months, with several significant drops. Notice how the stock price has consistently struggled to break above the key resistance level of around $25. This suggests the presence of a strong selling pressure, and any attempt at a rally has been met with resistance. This could indicate a bearish sentiment in the market, although some minor rallies show slight hope for bulls. However, the overall downtrend remains persistent. Let's narrow down the time frame to examine a specific period of high volatility. Here's a closer look at the period from early July to late October, a range that shows high volatility in price. The rapid decline during this period could be partly attributed to the negative market news we discussed earlier. The price action in the segment shows multiple instances of support and resistance levels being tested. The price bounced near 19 several times before making a strong rally, but failed to hold. The chart is showing signs of a sustained downtrend. Let's move to the hourly chart for a more granular perspective. If we look at the 1-hour chart for Intel, we can identify more short-term trends and price fluctuations. Here you see the effect of the aforementioned news and events in a more granular time frame. We can also see the support and resistance levels are more frequent in this time frame. On the 1-hour chart, it is easier to see a potential short-term reversal point. Note the candlestick patterns and volume changes. For example, a series of strong bullish candlesticks coupled with high volume might signal a potential trend reversal. However, a bearish pattern with decreasing volume suggests continued weakness. To make predictions with greater accuracy, examining the 15-minute chart can be helpful. The 15-minute chart provides a closer look at the short-term price action and helps us understand the sentiment of traders. It's essential to note that using short-term charts, like the 15-minute chart, requires swift execution, making it more suitable for day trading. The 15-minute chart can provide details and confirmation for the signals observed in the 1-hour and 1-day charts. Based on our analysis across all three time frames, let's summarize our findings. In summary, the daily chart shows a persistent downtrend for Intel, with key resistance around $25 and support levels around $19. The hourly chart reveals more frequent short-term fluctuations. The 15-minute chart provides a real-time view for identifying short-term trading opportunities. The likelihood of a significant price increase in the short term is currently low, given the consistent downtrend. However, a break above the $25 resistance level, coupled with increasing volume, could signal a potential bullish reversal. On the other hand, a sustained drop below $19 would confirm the bearish sentiment. To reinforce the bullish or bearish projections, pay attention to upcoming news events or financial reports that may influence trader sentiment. Keep an eye out for significant price movements, volume changes, and candlestick patterns, especially around the key support and resistance levels. Always remember to manage risk and use appropriate stop-loss orders when engaging in any trading activity. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice.